what you need. Hair on fleek, come see me. What you want, what you need. Your face beat, Princess Reese.
And it itches so bad. That's one thing I would say. This itches so freaking bad, and it's like you wanna move your face around because it's like itching, but like you can't touch it. So as you can see, it is day 3 now, still day 3. And now it is after 10 p.m. Yeah, I'm about to just go to sleep because the more I look at myself, the more I want to just like get rid of it. So like you see right here, like I cut off the dry skin that was just hanging. I just trimmed it off and I just left everything else. So I'm sure when I wake up, I'm gonna look even worse. Just pray for me, guys, because I see that I'm starting to peel right here. I'm starting to peel right here. But my skin, one thing I would say is my skin does feel very smooth right here. So, but I'm trying not to touch it. So I'm just gonna leave it alone. And let's see how this goes. So this is day 4 of my chemical peel. And as you guys can see, I look like I put glue all over my face and just let it dry, and I'm trying to just peel it off. Definitely it started peeling a lot more in my sleep from where I was at last night. I'm gonna update you guys. I'm gonna update you guys when I get home, but I do have an SPF cream to use on my face before I step outside. It is like 10 a.m. right now. So I do have to go do my clients. Lucky me, we have to wear these masks. So here's my mask. And this is how I'm about to finesse. As soon as you put the mask on, literally from the side, you can see 0 peeling. You can see the peeling that's happening on my the bridge of my nose, but I'm gonna put a hat on, so hopefully that'll help, because I know that this is gonna just open up and start peeling a lot more. But at least the area around my mouth will be covered by the mask, because my mask is pretty big. I just opened it all the way, and this is what the hell I'm gonna be looking like. So lucky me. But yes, she did tell me that on day 4 and 5 is when it was gonna look the craziest. And right now, I definitely look crazy. I definitely do. So I can't imagine how I'm gonna look once it starts peeling like around my face. Lucky thing, I am off on Sunday and Monday. I had to think about it because I'm like, damn, do I have something to do on Sunday? No, I don't. So I'm off on Sunday and Monday. So like, I think by then I should be like almost done with this process, because it's looking like my face is just gonna continue to peel for the rest of the day. I mean, my cheeks, it's just gonna continue to peel going backwards throughout the rest of the day. So I'll keep you guys updated and show you guys how it's going. So far, I do feel like my skin does feel like really soft, but I'm trying not to touch it. But I have touched it, I'm not gonna lie, I did touch it, like I did right now, like I did just now. But it is very soft, like the new skin. So I'm excited about that. So I can't wait to keep you guys updated. I have been using, see, I think I have a booger, but it's not a booger. It's really just the skin peeling. But I have been using Aquaphor on my lips only. I was instructed just to put like nothing on my face, just what was given to me. So I have just been putting this on my lips because my lips has been super, super, super chapped. So guys, this is how my face is looking right now. I just cut off the excess skin that was just like hanging or whatever. But I'm not gonna lie, this shit is so freaking itchy. Like, so itchy. Like, I really just want to itch my face. but it is time for me to wash my face. It is about 9:30 p.m. and I have my cleanser, which I'm supposed to wash at 9 p.m. And then, of course, I have the mask that I have to put on my face for 30 minutes. So I'm about to do that right now and show you guys, you know, how it looks after I have the mask on. Good morning, guys. So this is how my face looks. It is the morning of day 5, and I have a freaking wedding to do this morning, and yeah, I don't know how I'm about to camouflage my face, but this is how my face about to be looking. So I just finished washing my face. I'm about to put on the SPF on my skin. Right now my skin feels real tight. I just meant to tell you guys this. When I'm washing my face, I literally only use my fingers because I know you're not supposed to use like any type of like exfoliant on your face or whatever right now. So you're just supposed to use your fingers in circular motions, and that's what I've been doing. And I patted it dry with a paper towel just to dry it out. So yeah, now I'm about to use this SPF and go about my day. Let's see how this day goes, because right now my skin is really peeling today, and I don't want it to show. So I do have to camouflage and make sure that it's hidden. I know my hat is probably gonna come to like right here, and then my mask is gonna come to right here. So I feel like my face is just gonna be like peeling on the sides, but we'll see. We'll see. So it's about 10 o'clock at night right now. So I washed my face and put on my mask at 9 p.m. I feel like I just sound so repetitive in these videos because literally it's just the same process over and over each day. So this is day 5, the night in the nighttime. I showed you guys earlier how I looked when I woke up. I literally scared myself, like, oh my gosh, I really just could not believe how my forehead was looking. I wanted to itch it so bad, but I didn't. And this is how it is looking at 10 p.m. So as you guys can see, I am making a lot of progress. My skin feels like a baby. Like, it feels so freaking soft. Trying not to touch it too much, but here we are, day 5, and so far so good. It has been really irritating because, you know, you really just are craving to touch your face. So I've been trying to like not look at myself too much in the mirror because it will tempt me to touch my face. So here we are. So I realized that I never gave you guys a final update on my chemical peel, and I must say that I do feel like the chemical peel is more for people who have hyperpigmentation and really bad breakouts, because I don't feel like it really did much for me or much for my skin. I mean, I still have a few of those same like acne scars. These, I can't front, on this side it kind of lightened up a little bit. Yeah, I do feel like some of the scars did lighten up, but not like completely. So that's where I feel as though like it didn't really do too much for my skin. But I do know that it's also like a process of something that you might have to do more than once to get better results. But I don't think I'll do it again because I just didn't like the process of like looking like a damn reptile and not being able to like do much because of my face peeling. But I would recommend it for people who do have like hyperpigmentation or darker acne spots and they would like to lighten them. I would suggest that you get the chemical peel. Would I do it again? Probably not. Unless I have some like serious severe breakout again, then I probably will. But honestly, no. Yeah, no. But my experience wasn't like completely bad. It wasn't like, oh my god, bitch, I would never, like, it's not nothing like that. But I would recommend it for people who do have more acne. Yeah, that's my final review on it. I can't believe I forgot to record and show you guys how it looked in the end. What is that? Yeah, I'm being nosy outside, but yeah, I hope you guys
Princess Wiz. Princess Wiz.